Hello and welcome to Rail and Rail Enthusiast, and the last in the series of the top 10 least used stations in Merseyside. And as you guessed it, we are at the least used station in Merseyside. And that station is Upton. The station is situated on the Borderlands line, just south of Bidston. Opened in 1896 by the Wrexham Malden Connors Quay Railway, the station was actually an extension to a line which opened some 5 years earlier. Shortly after this extension was opened, the North Wales and Liverpool Railway formed. The station was not actually in the village, but this didn't stop it from having some glorious buildings, most notably one situated over the line on a road bridge. It also boasted 2 brick waiting rooms on both platforms, and access to these was via stepped ramps either side of the main station building. A small goods and coal yard was to be found just behind the Wrexham-bound platform. Not much else occurred in the next 80 years or so, the station escaping the Beeching Act of the 1960s. However, the entire stock of buildings and the goods yard were unfortunately demolished in the early 1970s, leaving just the ramps and a couple of bus-type shelters. It is now a very bleak station and not a patch on the one which was originally built. At time of filming, passenger services are provided by Class 150 diesel multiple units. We'll start the tour of the station today up on the road bridge. With no station building at all, the only thing up here is a lot of signage about train times and also information about the local area. You also get a very good view of the tracks from here. There is a small local area information poster as well as a timetable, which unfortunately you couldn't really see because of the graffiti. Both platform ramps, information boards. Once on the platforms you will see these basic waiting shelters. Although not fantastic, they do at least protect you from the elements. Dot matrix displays both in English and Welsh complete the station furniture. One thing to note is that the entire station length is not utilised, but it is still in situ. The statistics for Upton are that it opened in 1896. It currently at time of filming has 1 train per hour in each direction Monday through Saturday, with Sunday trains every 90 minutes. And the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 22,502. As you'd probably expect, Upton is pretty uninspiring. It's a real shame that none of the original buildings remain. However, unlike most least used stations, it does at least get an hourly service, and small details of its past can still be seen. If you enjoyed this video and indeed this series, then please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.